Preview. Quick reminder before starting, don't forget to subscribe and like. I imported both clips and added beat marks. First beat mark on 1:00, second on tick 00, third on 3:21, fourth for a clock. Or you can add beat marks according to your clip. Add a rectangle. Stretch to half screen. Duplicate. Change color. Now adjust equally. Done. Now increase length. Duplicate the clip you want to split. Now go to blending. Choose mask. First one. Do same with second rectangle. Now select one shape and your video. Make a group. Do same with second one. Add a keyframe on first best mark. Add one more on second mark. Give animation on second keyframe. Do same with second one. Add graph. Copy my graph. Add an effect named motion blur. Full. Copy and paste on other one. Shadow is missing. Give a shadow. Size 67, alpha 100, position 18. Same with second. Position -18. Looking good now. Add two more keyframe on bare marks. You can give any animation. Past graph. Graph. Decrease size and add tiles effect. Mirror on. Time to give a simple zoom in animation. Follow me. Past graph. Done. Thanks for watching. Soon I will upload more tutorial. Stay update. Bye guys.